Hey everyone, if you want to uninstall AnyDesk in 2026 from your Windows, Mac, or mobile device, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to remove it safely. First, you might uninstall AnyDesk if you no longer need remote access, want to fix issues, or are reinstalling a fresh version. Yeah, it's a quick way to reset the app completely. On Windows 11, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then go to Apps and click Installed Apps. Find AnyDesk in the list. Click the three dots next to AnyDesk and select Uninstall. Confirm the action. After uninstalling, it's a good idea to remove leftover files. This ensures a clean removal. Delete any AnyDesk folders you find in system directories. For Mac users, open Finder, go to Applications and find AnyDesk. Yeah, drag it to Trash and empty the trash. On Android, press and hold the AnyDesk app icon. Then tap Uninstall. For iPhone, press and hold the AnyDesk app, then tap Remove App and confirm Delete App. After uninstalling, restart your device. Yeah, this helps remove any temporary leftover processes. Finally, check your device to make sure AnyDesk is completely removed. The app should no longer appear in your system. If you ever need AnyDesk again, you can reinstall it anytime from the official website. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled AnyDesk in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.